Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. So, on the 1 hour time frame, Euro US dollar, as you can see, we had some big gaps at market open, which was kind of expected with everything that happened over the weekend. Now, more than likely, this is five waves up to me. And then, even though there's a gap here, this definitely is an impulsive down. So I would expect this to be corrective up, and I would expect to see another push down if this is going to play out like a traditional Elliott wave pattern. Impulsive, corrective, impulsive should lead to some sort of a three-wave pullback. An ABC. And if it's not an ABC, but it's actually a 1, 2, 3, and it just keeps on going down, then we would potentially be looking for shorts for the wave C. But if it turns into a wave three, we would be looking for shorts, and it just turns into a wave three while we're looking for shorts. So either way, hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether this turns into a wave C or a wave three. If it really is a wave C, then it definitely could go back down to these lows and then make like a double bottom and then end up continuing the uptrend for that big wave three like I was talking about last week. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.